What if a root could transform your health? Discover Korean Red Ginseng, nature's powerful superfood. This ancient root, highly prized in Asia, stimulates energy, sharpens the mind, boosts immunity, and improves stamina. Stick around as we uncover its incredible secrets. Korean Red Ginseng has numerous amazing benefits. It boosts energy and reduces fatigue efficiently. Research shows it enhances brain function and memory. Support your heart and immune system with this herb. It may also help reduce stress and improve vitality. This remarkable ginseng has a rich history. It has been grown in Korea's mountains for over 2,000 years. The unique steaming process gives it that vibrant red color. It was treasured in royal medicine as a source of health. Ready to enjoy Korean Red Ginseng? You can consume it in several ways. Brew it as tea using slices or powder. Take convenient capsules for easy consumption. Enjoy delectable ginseng candy on the go. Why not try it in soups like samgyeopsal? Fresh roots are rare but valuable. You can find powders and extracts easily. Even beauty products use ginseng for skincare benefits. Scientific studies back up these health claims. Research shows it improves cognitive function significantly. Korean Red Ginseng boosts immunity with its anti-inflammatory properties. It effectively reduces fatigue in clinical trials. In traditional medicine, ginseng promotes longevity in Asia. Today, science supports its wellness claims. Both herbal shops and modern clinics utilize this amazing plant. The adaptogenic quality of ginseng not only stabilizes mood, but also enhances overall resilience, making it a holistic ally for mental health. Incorporating this superfood into your routine can encourage a sense of well-being, paving the way for not just physical vitality, but also emotional harmony. So whether you're facing a hectic schedule or seeking a moment of peace, Korean Red Ginseng can serve as your supportive partner in achieving that balance. Moreover, it's essential to understand the quality of Korean Red Ginseng you're consuming. Consider pairing Korean Red Ginseng with a balanced diet and regular exercise for optimal results. Don't hesitate to explore various recipes and preparation methods to make the most out of your ginseng experience, ensuring it fits seamlessly into your life while enjoying its incredible advantages. In conclusion, Korean Red Ginseng is a remarkable superfood rooted in tradition, now supported by modern science. Explore its potential and experience the benefits of this extraordinary root today. The content in this video is for informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional for personalized guidance regarding your health. Do not disregard or delay seeking medical advice based on anything presented here. Like if you learned something new, subscribe for more natural health secrets. Comment, what's your favorite way to use ginseng? Share with a friend who needs an energy boost.